haka khalai tarik urempang arhaja arpusan ukon rat ke sangma national president ke NPP ubadai ru menteri rangba ka jela ulah hiar Mawkyrwat constituency ban pan jingkershan nakipat ba nakabentau kertong ke parti ketau ba karna sosyang haka negasngi ukon rat ulah Leit keleng gijaka haka bau lesdang nakasnong sngi maulen bat yat samau thau pada rang blang dok lun mau langwer rang mau bat kasnong sakwang haka negasngi ukon rat ke sangma ulah Ïohpdiang ya shibun ki memorandum lani ki Dorkhas nakisnong bat ki kinhon bapher nakabenta ki Pynroi hapo kani ka constituency.
Very soon there will be district council elections on February 21st. And I want to share with you that this election is very, very crucial and very important for the constituency and for the village and for the people of this area. Because this is an opportunity for you to work directly with the government and work directly with the Chief Minister. As a government, there are many programs that we want to do. But without having representatives for my party, without having leaders through whom I can work, it is sometimes very difficult for me to give the developments even though we want to give them. And therefore, this election is about the development of Mawkyrwat constituency as a whole and Mawkyrwat village in specific. And as you know, many political parties come, they give all kinds of negative speech and lecture where they will insult the government, they will insult the Chief Minister, they will give all negative comments, they will always try to divide the society and the people, and they play that kind of negative politics. I don't believe in negative politics. But the reason I'm telling you this is because once the election is over on February 24th and the result is out, all these lectures and speech given by all these political parties in negative will all be over. But after February 24th, the NPP government will still be there. And it is this NPP government that will work with you. In good times, in bad times, we will work together along with Bakarnes to ensure that we are able to bring a change and bring development, the development that you deserve. Everything, the boss is there. So when boss says yes, then I will do. No problem. So you have to convince the boss. So Bakarnes is the boss here. So he will decide on how I should work. And all I can tell you is that as per his direction and instructions, I will do whatever it takes to implement these different schemes and projects and improve the overall development scenario here in the constituency. But as I said, it is very important that we work together and not be taken, on the side by political parties who are trying to, as I said, divide us and trying to create a negative environment in society, which is something that I really don't appreciate and I don't like. As I said, we are here to serve the people, we are here to bring development for the people, we are here to make life better for the people and not throw dirt and talk negative and bad things about other political parties. I don't think that is healthy politics. And I don't like that kind of negative politics. So we as a party, we believe in positive politics and we will ensure that we are able to work together. But for that, I will need all your support. And in this coming election, I once again request and urge all of you to work in support of Bakarnes in this coming election on the NPP symbol and the NPP ticket.
Haba thin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata haba thiru atau khau kam lo ka Ïohpdiang ka dot pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dor jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.